Do you ever get so stuck in your head and you're in your intellect and you don't feel that you can make decisions? And I think one of the biggest things is to know where you start and end so that you are clear. You have less lag time on your decision-making process. You don't have to sleep on it. You don't have to meditate. So number one thing is to unmute your emotions, because when you unmute your emotions, you get to know what you're feeling. You acknowledge the feelings of stress or heaviness or worry or fear, and you get to have that consciousness around what it is, because sometimes we borrow the beliefs intellectually from other people. We have voices in our head that aren't always from our higher self. They are fears, the words from somebody else saying, don't take that risk, or I think you should stay in that job, or just beliefs that we borrow from other people. How do we know what's ours and what isn't? Is to unmute your emotions to really feel into it, because you wouldn't be having these creative ideas or desires if they weren't meant to be explored on an emotional level, so that not just coming from your intellect. Most people analyze, overanalyze, and get anxiety. So really just unmute yourself, feel into it. And, through that muscle of being conscious of where you are hanging out and those blurred lines between the beliefs of others, you're going to find that you'll have less lag time and that you'll become more in tune with your inner being, which is quicker thought processes, because you're aligned with your values, your beliefs, and your vision. Blessings.